be honest, I just felt frustrated, demotivated. I was struggling really with weight loss for years, and I struggled with that. I was doing boot camp 4 times a week, training at home, nothing worked. And I started working with you, 9 kgs. I lost 9 kilos in 5 months. That's it. That's big. It meant the world. It meant so much. I know people think, oh, just 9 kilos, but for me, it's a lot. It meant I could wear my nice dresses and look good in them, confident and happy in my own body. I think because I've been seeing results, it kept me motivated. I've seen like gradual weight loss. So I recommend all my friends, my family, everyone at work, the people that are struggling with weight loss, the people that do not know enough, that do not know what to do in order to lose weight. Working with Adam is really amazing. He's a fantastic guy. He pushes you, cares about you and your results. So it's amazing. Then I haven't had enough.